Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into an Excel function that's incredibly useful for analyzing sales data, the sum product function. Specifically, we'll be using it to sum sales amounts for even-numbered months. So, if you've ever wondered how to streamline your data analysis process in Excel, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Imagine you have a dataset containing sales amounts for different months. You want to find out the total sales for months like February, April, and June. How do you do it efficiently? That's where the sum product function comes into play. Let's take a look at our sample data. We have a table with two columns, date and sales amount. Each row represents a transaction, with the date and corresponding sales amount. Now, here's the magic formula. Type equal to type sum product start bracket start type mode start bracket type month start bracket select date range bracket close type comma type 2 bracket close type equal to type 0 bracket close type asterisk bracket start select sales amount range bracket close close. After write the formula, press enter key. The mod function calculates the remainder when dividing the month numbers by 2. By checking if this remainder equals 0, we're essentially identifying the even-numbered months. We're applying this condition to the date column to filter out the sales amounts corresponding to even-numbered months. The resulting array of true and false values acts as a filter. Next, we multiply this array with the sales amounts in column B. The multiplication operation converts true to 1 and false to 0. Then, sum product adds up these products, giving us the total sales for even-numbered months. And there you have it. We've successfully summed up the sales amounts for even-numbered months using the sum product function in Excel. With this technique, you can streamline your data analysis and gain valuable insights from your datasets.